Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Deskr Topo Canyon Die sub-PBT keycaps. If you're looking to elevate your mechanical keyboard experience, these keycaps might just be what you need. First impressions are strong. The keycaps feel incredibly solid, thanks to their 1.7 millimeters thickness. This isn't some flimsy, cheap plastic, these are built to last. The PBT material gives them a slightly textured feel, which is a huge plus for typing comfort and grip. Say goodbye to shiny, slippery keycaps after a few weeks of use. The set comes with a whopping 164 keycaps, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of keyboard layouts, from compact 60% boards all the way up to full-sized 100% ones. Whether you're rocking a tankulous or a more unique layout, you're covered. Deskr also thoughtfully included support for both ANSI and ISO layouts, catering to users in different regions. The Cherry profile is a classic for a reason. It provides a comfortable and familiar typing experience, and these keycaps are no exception. The sculpted profile feels natural under the fingers, reducing fatigue during long typing sessions or intense gaming marathons. Installation is a breeze. These keycaps are designed for Cherry MX-style switches, which are the most common type found in mechanical keyboards. Just pop off your old keycaps and snap these on. The fit is snug and secure, with no wobble or looseness. Aesthetically, the Topo Canyon design is understated yet stylish. The black colorway is versatile and will complement most keyboard setups. The dye sublimation printing ensures that the legends are crisp, clear, and resistant to fading over time. This is a huge advantage over cheaper printing methods that can wear off quickly. These keycaps aren't just about looks and feel, they also improve the sound of your keyboard. The thicker PBT material dampens vibrations, resulting in a deeper, more satisfying thok with each keystroke. If you're tired of a high-pitched, clacky keyboard, these keycaps can make a noticeable difference. Deskr has clearly paid attention to detail with the Topo Canyon keycaps. From the high-quality materials to the comprehensive compatibility and thoughtful design, these keycaps are a worthwhile investment for any mechanical keyboard enthusiast. If you're looking for a premium keycap set that combines durability, comfort, and style, the Deskr Topo Canyon Die sub-PBT keycaps are definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.